Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 ways to minimize an application or find a window on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. We can now go all the way down to the dock. Let's open up find a window. So the first way is to navigate to the left top corner of the screen where we see quit, minimize, maximize. Let's just click on the orange to minimize the Finder window itself. Let's go all the way down to the dock again, go back to Finder. And now let's go to the navigation menu on top. Go to Window. Click on Minimize. And there you go. So the first way was to click on the orange in the left top corner of the screen. And the second was to go to Window and Minimize. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.